Welcome back, everyone. In this video I'll be showing you my experience of using the Imperial brand stove cement. As a result of having our fire a little too hot, we ended up with a fairly decent sized crack in the back of our stove. Clean and dampen the outside and the inside of where you'll be working. Now this stuff is very thick, so I had to really press it in there. You'll see. They say on the package that you can water it down a little bit and make it easier to apply, but I left it how it was. It went on fine after I got used to it. I sandwiched the inside and the outside together. The tub recommended thin coats and 24 hours in between each coat. After 24 hours of drying, we light a small fire to cure it. That fire only lasted about an hour, start to finish. Now it's time for the second coat. I went a little thicker with this coat, just to make sure there was going to be no other issues. Inside and out again. Another 24 hours later, it's rock hard. Another fire once again. After about 5 hours of burning that evening, the next morning it looked like this. You can barely tell the repair was even made. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.